car topped out at 140 miles per hour this morning.
And just so you know, I fully intend on beating that today, Mr. Arizona. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to a highly classified area somewhere in the world, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to settle an age-old debate. How fast is a Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX? Maybe you've looked it up on forums before. Maybe you yourself own one or owned one and thought you hit the limits. I'm gonna see what the limits of mine are today. Real quick, coming to you from the future of this video, the Eclipse is totally stock, minus a K&N intake and some NGK plug wires, in case you were wondering. Now, I'm not going to be doing it on some open highway or airport runway, unfortunately. That would be sweet. On an open highway, we would have the rule of law prevailing over us, and I'm not cool enough to get on an airport runway yet. So we will be testing it on a dry lake bed. Now, obviously, the ground is not gonna be perfect. I'll show it to you when we get out there, but I think it'll be good enough to get us up to a pretty good speed. As always, a couple disclaimers to get out of the way. I still haven't put the front bumper back on my car. Today, I think it's a good thing. It's in pretty good shape. I wouldn't wanna catch it on anything and rip it off. I don't think that'll be an issue. It's pretty flat out there. Second, I just want you guys to get the indigestion and heartburn out of your system right now that I'll be taking this out on some dirt, dry lake bed, whatever. Scheduled in the next couple weeks is a full interior and a full exterior detail. So I apologize if this is giving you that burning in your throat by me driving it out there, but I promise you it's gonna be in way better shape when I get done with this than it ever was probably before. Maybe not brand new, but before I got it. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Let's have some fun. And here we go. What's up?
What are we doing today? We're gonna test max speed of the Eclipse.
Max speed. We got the original bro, Jordan and Jacob, helping out on the cameras today.
Cash,
so.
get off.
Oh, and Cash scratching up my car.
Scratching up the car.
Come on, man. Give me a rip on that thing.
Cash is loving it.
Coming for you. Dude, look at these. Look at my cuts I made earlier.
Oh, is that from you last time?
No, this is from me on the one wheel.
Oh yeah.
Dismount. 180 off. First order of business is going to be to find the best terrain. All right, we have found the terrain of choice. It is some kind of clay hamburger. I'm not sure. Jordan is over here figuring out the drone. All right, little buddy. Let's see what you're made of. Meanwhile, Jacob over here trying to learn the one wheel. Come on, Cash. Here we go. Top speed run. Speed. I am speed. Coming for ya. There we go. Bringing her down. Bringing her to a stop.
You're a pro.
1 hour later.
Ready to rock?
Ready to rock.
Let's do it. Here we go. GoPro tachometer, speedometer recording starting now. Hopefully it's on the right setting. That's a ghetto old GoPro. And I hope you guys can see everything that's going on. Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX top speed test, take one. We're at 60. 80. 100. We're pinned to the floor. 110. Still pinned. We're gonna run out of real estate pretty soon. 115. Pinned to the floor. She's bogging. Cut her off. 115 is all I could get out of her. Okay, round two, I'll put you guys on me. I'm a little disappointed with that first run. I know the soil or the clay or whatever that we're on is a little mushy, so I don't know if the car is limiting that or not, but I expected a lot more out of it, to be honest, and it was pinned to the floor. So I didn't even get into fifth gear. So Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX speed test, round two. $60. pinned to the floor. Third gear, 100, red line, we're going into fourth. This is our best stretch. We're gonna go fast. It's gotta be on this stretch. I'm pinned to the floor in fourth. It's only at like 105. Maybe gonna hit 110. That's not even gonna hit 110, I don't think. I'm starting to run out of real estate. 110. Shut her down. Happy to report, temperature's good, oil pressure's good. I think we just don't have the right terrain, unfortunately.
First time with this drone, so don't hate on it too much.
No hating on Jordan's piloting here. All right, unfortunately, I'm a little disappointed. Although we got, you know, extra camera help out here and a great place to do it, the car would not go very fast. I think I'll have to look back on the video later. Obviously, there's some adrenaline flowing and stuff. I think I only got up to like 110 or 115 was the highest. So the traction out here is probably the issue. I don't know if the car is governed or not. I've got people hitting me up on Instagram saying they've done 150 in a freaking DSM before. So if anyone's out there, got a stretch of pavement for me, let me know. Gosh, so fun, but so disappointing. I mean, I was only in fourth gear, so this has got a whole nother gear to go, and I'm at 110. No, it would have bogged. It was just like, it wasn't even redlined yet.
Oh.
So there's a lot left. Just, I think it's, can't take traction for sure.
He's retrieving. Ready?
Heave it.
Go get it.
Here we go, ready?
Nice. Yeah, so you must have done disc, javelin, or some type of throwing in high school, huh?
High jumper.
Check it out.
You found one? Yeah. Dude, 50 cal. We're totally keeping this. Dude, that is sick.
Man.
Just a kid. Just a kid at heart. Ooh, we got another one? Yeah. Boom, 50 cal city.
One for you.
This thing is heavy. I bet it's pure lead too. Probably really bad to be holding it.
Don't lick it.
Losing our boost, guys, so it's time to head back. Time to head back.
See you guys.
Now, if I was you, the viewer, I would be extremely disappointed if that was where the video ended, with the Eclipse only going, you know, 110, 115. I haven't seen the footage yet for the exact number, but I think what I'm gonna do, me and Jordan and Jacob have headed south a little further. We are now in Mexico, and we're gonna give it one last try on pavement. All right, on pavement, Mitsubishi Eclipse GXS, top speed, test number 3. I'm gonna have to do all GoPro on this one, guys. Here we go. 60. 100. 110. 120. 130. We're in fifth. 140. Backing off. All right, I haven't seen the footage yet. I think we were well over 140, like 142, 143. We don't want to stay here too long, obviously. We got to get across the border, back into Phoenix yet tonight, so I'll catch you there.
3 hours later.
Before I go home to my wife, I thought for those guys I gave heartburn earlier, I better get the car rinsed off a little bit. Here's a car wash with some music.
your heartlands, making two viewers, need a middle ground. I know it's defense, all the hands slippery slow. One defense with us go. Understand me, I know. No mistaken, time goes undeserved without everything, everyone. You know, even if will cause doesn't mean fall out. Easy ones had a thing, I know. And it
Alright guys, I think that will do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the top speed test of my 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. In closing, I do have some thoughts. My number one thought is, I don't know what the true top speed of this car is. There was probably a little bit left when I let off the gas at, 140, whatever. But that said, I had probably already used up like a mile and a half, 2 miles of road. There wasn't a lot. It took a while to get there, we'll say that. Now, if I were to throw on some extra mods and stuff, could we increase the top speed? Probably. That's not something I'm going to do again. I just thought it'd be cool to get a baseline of it. My second thought is that you have to be a complete idiot to go out and test the top speed of your car like I just did. Now, most of you aren't as close to the Mexican border as I am, so please, I do not condone anything that I did today. Please do not go out and do them. And finally, the third thought I had was, I, Jesse Scheel, can hit a top speed faster than that of Brian O'Connor in a Mitsubishi Eclipse. With all that said, I appreciate you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more. I'll catch you in the next one. And for you, the true fan, the one that hung out till the end, here's a sneak peek of what's to come. Black Friday special Megan Racing coilovers and the biggest can I could find for an Eclipse. I just got to get my 350Z put back together first. P.S. If you want to call me Mr. Arizona, that's totally cool with me. I actually live here.